morning to one and all. My name is Prasath. Today I am going to show my project about in-node load balancing. My project is about the feedback-based scheduling for load balance with three-stage switches. And this is my company profile. This is my company profile. I am doing my project in the Edge Technologies of India in Vadapalani. The main objective of my project is reduce the missequencing problem which enters in the TCP applications. Uh, we see the existing system in earlier. There is a only the load balancing is only the two-stage switches because they are using the FIFO under the EDF algorithm to reduce those missequencing problems. But somewhere it reduces the missequencing problem, but the throughput of the data packets is very low. After that, they are using the mailbox load balancing switch architecture to reduce the missequencing problems. It is also reduce the missequencing problem and get the throughput. But in heavy traffic, it occurs the collision. It is a major problem of the existing problem. My proposed is contained in the three stages. Before the two stages, my proposed has three stages. The three stage contains the first stage sends and verify the data. The second stage is the intermediate node to verify it on second stage. The third and final stage is the previous node. It is used by the circular queue. The circular queue is applied in the proposed system. Third stage used to reduce the sequencing problem and reduce and get the 100% throughput result. My main advantage, the advantage of proposed is missing from is all the throughput is get no advancement is required, the complexity is reduced. This is my software requirement under my hardware requirements. I'm doing my project in Java Eclipse and my backend is MySQL. This is my system architecture. The system architecture contains the three stages. The first stage is switch level, second stage, in third stage we apply the circular queue. I have a 5 modules. I show in later in my project. This is my backend process MySQL. I have three tables. I have three tables. One table for connection to the network, another table for path info, and the third table for user details. That means node details. What are all the nodes connected to the network is a node details. This is Java Eclipse. I'm going to run my project. This is a memory block under the stage. The memory block contains the controller. First is to run the controller. The controller is run. After that, the registration form is run. Hmm. See, this is the login form and the sign up form. The login form is a already existing user. The sign up form is a new user. The new user means the new node that is entered into the network. I'm going to sign up. When we give login, it is okay. When you give sign up, it changes it to register. Register that it means to register the new node. I'm going to create the nodes. Node one, pass or something, and register. I'm going to register my new node, and that there is no intermediate node. So I just click finish. Going to login and node 2. I'm going to login node 1. Welcome node 1. This is my node 1. This is a receiver frame and this is sender frame. The sender frame contains a browse is used to fetch the data and send it into the network. This contains the files contained in the data. These are the packets as scripted. This is a destination. How the data is sent through the network. These are the paths. I'm going to create another node. Sign up. Node 2. Password. The password is register. If intermediate node is there, node 1 is intermediate, we put some distance, connect, the connection is created, finish, and then login the second node, welcome to node 2, the node 2 is appeared, and I create the 4 nodes in my node network. Node 3, register, distance, connect, connection created, finish, login the third node, welcome to node 3, and node 4, register, I give the possible path, distance, connect, connection created, finish, login, node 4 is created. We see the four nodes is created. This is a node 1, node 2, node 3, and node 4. I am going to send the data from node 1 to node 4. Node 1 to node 4. I give the data first. Fetching the browsing the data. Here is the data. Open. The data is it contains the what are all the content include in the data.txt in a colon, and this is the packets are splitted for the data. The packets are splitted into nearly 447 packets are splitted. I give the destination. Node 1 to node 4. The possible path. If you give the node 3, it's a possible path. Node 2, node 1, node 2. Okay. If I give the node 4, this is the only one possible path. The node 1, node 2, and node 4. So the node 3 is idle. The node 3 doesn't have any work. So it is in the idle position. I give the possible path and send it. Data is sending. You have received a message. Here we are receiving the message. In sender frame, the path contains the node 1 and node 2 and node 4. The node 1 sends the data like packets to node 2. While sending, there is some missequencing problem occurred. The missequencing problem that nothing means the data is mismatched. See the data is how the data is mismatched from 1 to 450. These are the data. It is in the center frame. After the data pack is missequenced, the missequence occurred, the circular queue is applied. This is the path node 1. For the path node 1, node 2, node 4, DDS, transmits file data text. I transmit the data file data.txt. Circular queue is applied. We see the node 3. The node 3 doesn't contain any information. This is idle. So we don't need this data. Don't need this node. The node 4 receive the data like order wise. How the original data is occurred? It is occurred like because of the circular queue I am applied in the background process. The circular queue is contained here. This contains include the five different stages of a inside like a 5 global agent. It is showed in the my system architecture. Let's see one more time. Uh, mm, this is the first stage is send the data, split the data packets, and send to the second stage. That is the internal input. The internal input checks the data, verifies, and checks the destination and splits the data into packets and send to the node 3. The node 3 contains the circular queue. The circular queue contains the global agent until it contains the maximum of 5 global agents. The circular queue is used to do repetition of data packets and original data form the original data like what the inputs external inputs and send to the third stage and it sent to the external output. This is how the my project is worked. This is how my project is worked. After receiving data, the receiver frame is used to do store. Where we want to store in D colon, I want to store in the D colon, D colon, Java, my project. I select. Sorry, select. The data is the file has already existed stored. So project to the data. This is the data we received. We are going to see data is this is the data is sent. Here, here there is no mismatching of packets this occurs. The packets remains the same. This is the final line. This is my project about the missequencing occurred. Stop my project. Remove all terminate branches and close my notes. Thank you to listening my project. Once again, this morning I hope I produce a very well project about my load balancing. I hope you guys understand my project. Thank you to all.